Hey Lumberjacks!
If you're not on Handshake yet, it's time to change that. Whether you're job hunting, looking for an internship, or just want to explore career options, Handshake is the tool for you. Go ahead and get started by heading to an NAU Handshake. You're at nau.joinhandshake.com. You're going to sign in with your NAU credentials. You can see I'm already here signed in, so it's bringing me to my own personal Handshake. And I'm going to use my profile as an example to show you how you can make your own profile shine and stand out to employers. So let's go ahead and start by clicking on your profile image in the corner here, and we're going to start by hitting My Profile. So some important aspects of your profile are having a strong and professional profile picture. This can be a professional headshot that you've had taken at one of our career fairs. This can be just a selfie you've taken in front of a white wall, anything that clearly shows your face. The next thing that we'll go into is adding in your summary as well as your job interests and your skills. So it's important to have a brief yet descriptive summary of yourself to show employers who you are and what you're interested in. The same goes for your skills, adding in all of your different personal skills as well as platform skills that you may have. Anything like that can really help stand out to different employers. And then you're going to want to make sure you add in all of your relevant work experience, including your specific roles and the date that you were in this position. And same thing for your education, including all of that information is also really important. And then you can even go as far as adding some relevant courses, depending on the coursework that you've taken in your major at NAU. You can also add organizations and clubs you've been involved in, anything that you feel is relevant. You can add class projects, looks a little bit like this, adding the title, the role, start and end dates can also help you really stand out. And the last thing that you're able to customize on your account is adding different languages that you are fluent in. This is just another great way to get you to stand out to employers. We'll head back up to the front. I'm going to show you how you can upload different documents as well. This can make the application process more streamlined and a little bit easier for you. And it also diversifies your profile a little bit more as well, as employers can view these documents that you make public. So we'll go to My Documents here. You can see I've got quite a few documents in here as well. You will likely add in a cover letter document for each position that you're applying for. So those you don't necessarily need to make public, but you can see here I've got my most relevant resume public, and that is super important to make sure that you're publishing only the most relevant versions of your documents. And then you can just do that by uploading a new document, changing the name, make sure the title is relevant as well. And then you can change the document type, and here you can choose whether you want it to be public or not. Let's go ahead and dive into how to customize your career interests. This is really helpful for helping Handshake filter your interests and showing you the most relevant jobs to you. So when you go to your career interests tab under your profile, you can filter in what type of positions you're looking for, what options you're considering after graduation, how Handshake can effectively help you, and the types of jobs that you're interested in. And the options for this are limitless. You can pretty much add anything that you're interested in, and it's a good idea to add a little bit of everything. It's a good diversification. That way Handshake can show you all of the available options for you. You can even add in different locations of where you'd be interested in living. This also helps filter down those jobs, showing you the most relevant locations as well. And then here is where it gets a little bit more niche as well. You can really diversify and pick which industries you're most interested in. Again, this just really helps narrow down the options that Handshake is going to show you. And it's important to note that Handshake isn't just for jobs. You can also find different events that Career Development is hosting, or just NAU in general that are career related. So we can find those events by going to this Events tab on the left-hand corner. We'll go ahead and click Events, and it's going to really organize it nicely for you here so you can find the events you're looking for. Here you can see some upcoming events that we have got going on. You can see some events are hybrid, some are in person. Make sure to visit the Career Center tab in the corner over here. This is going to be a great resource for you to help create appointments and find different resources from our specific career center as well here at the NAU Career Development Center. We're here to help you with any appointment types you may need. Feel free to check out our previous handshake video that shows you how specifically to make an appointment with us. But you can see here it even breaks down by the career centers for each college. So if you want something a little bit more specific to your major, you can find all of those resources as well. With that, feel free to log in, update your profile to its maximum capability, and start checking out what jobs are out here and start applying. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Feel free to comment them down below, or you can reach out to us at career@nau.edu. Thank you. Bye, Jax.